What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning basic signs. So first, I was born deaf, and when I grew up hard of hearing or hearing aids, all that jazz. That's where I learned ASL. My family, they learned a little ASL too. So these are some basic signs that you can teach your children. You don't have to be deaf or anything. But the first one is hi, 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 or help, help. You could do I can help you, or I can help me, or just help in general. And then mom and dad. So first one's mom. Oh, sorry. First one's dad. This is dad. Any signs for boy will always be above. And there'll be a forehead area, so dad. And this is mom. Grandma is just mom forward, and then grandpa is dad forward. I hope this helped.